Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4 Girls Jewelry. I received a lot of questions about jump rings before, and I was starting thinking about where I'm not using jump rings, basically only in my pins or in rings that I do, but the rest of the jewelry really need jump rings. So you can make them very tiny, like in this piece I used tons of them. You can make them much larger, depends on your designs, and I will show some of the other designs that I did at the end of the video. But quickly, let me just show you how we make jump rings, because my husband helped me always with them, and we don't use the regular jewelry saw, we use this one. You can buy them in a local hardware store, and that's the brand we use. And important is you should look for those 6-inch and 32 TPI. There is 10 of blades here. It's a brand new. So look for any hardware store, maybe Menards, also Home Depot. We got this from Home Depot. And with one blade, you can make more than thousands of rings just with one, because it's very durable. It's not like a jeweler's one that can break very quick. And so yeah, let's start it. Let's see. We can show there is a tons of different sizes of mandrels that you can use. I even use sometimes the needle for my sewing or knitting, whatever you can use. You need your drill, and yeah, that's what you use. You just need any wire that you will want it to use for the jump rings. Take literally a couple seconds. Usually when we do coils, we leave them for a long time. You need at least a couple days. Sometimes they sit for a month, because the copper in any wire have a memory, so it's better when they sit coiled for a little bit before you cut them. It's fiddly in the beginning because you need to make the little roll, and that's how you sew them. Couple more. Just use your gloves. We put the tape so it will not cut the glow itself. And yeah, that's how they look. Lots of question was how if they need to be soldered. We never solder our jump rings, because when we go to the art shows, a lot of jewelry need to be tailored to customers, and that's why we never really solder them together. But after they cut, you can see they are sort of open a little bit, and what you need to do, you need to hammer them. So you take your block and your hammer, and you can just lightly hammer them. Yeah, I usually, for the copper, Victor always hammer for me. For the sterling silver, I leave them for myself and I hammer myself. But you just need a little, it doesn't need to be a lot of force, just a tiny bit. That's it. And because when you hammer, you work hardening your wire, and they will be strong enough to hold any jewelry design you want to attach them with your jump rings. Here's some. So like I said, you can do very tiny ones, like small size. You can do with a thicker gauge and much larger. You can also I want to show you design this one that I did Tuesday video. I did with the little calcetni, and also use larger and some tinier jump rings. in this design I use bunch of small jump rings inside here, attach all the bones with the I like different gauge and different sizes also, so I always like sort of like organic mismatching designs. And one more, remember we did these? I finished finally my bar necklace. It's nice for layering because it's a short necklace, but I feel like you can layer it if you want to also long necklace to wear. That can be nice layering one. Some earrings that I quickly want to show. They just ran away from me. Those have the large jump ring. Sometimes I make very huge ones. There is no today design, I didn't make anything with the large one, but I do huge one with a thick coil and use them in different designs too. I hope you guys will find this video useful and you can make your own jump rings. You can save money. Also, you can make the jump rings that you want. There is some that we did with the twisted also wire, very cute. They look very unique when you just twist wire and coil it and make your jump rings. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will start to answer more questions. There was a question about chains and we will film this also because my husband makes them, so I will film him again pretty soon. Thank you for watching. See you next time.